Hello, I'm Tim Riley and I'm going to be leading our composition workshop with Arts Active during the half-term break at Sir David's Hall in Cardiff. I've been writing music since I was a teenager and I'm starting to get the hang of it now, and I think I'm in a position to be able to share some tricks of the trade with you, the new up-and-coming generation of composers. Over the years, I've written songs and incidental music for plays, musical theatre, radio, TV and opera. When I was younger, I lacked the confidence to write my own lyrics, but over the years I've come to realise that I really enjoyed this to the point that I felt equally comfortable with words and music. One thing I can tell you, there are no rules to writing music and lyrics, only guidelines. And as a music teacher, I have to tell you right here and now that I can't teach you how to write music. That's a gift you've hopefully been born with. However, I can show you lots of ways to help develop your own ideas effectively and creativity to produce a polished end result. The good news is that composers and writers often come up with some of their best ideas from day one. However, more experienced composers know how to identify those good ideas when they see them and how to make them performable. That's the critical bit if you want to get your music to market. Let's talk about words a bit more. For those of you that don't feel able or comfortable with writing lyrics, you can always draw on existing words. Sometimes a good song only needs a few lines, just a few words sometimes, to work really well. The skill, of course, is in finding the right lines to start things off. So during our workshop, we're all going to be writing a Christmas or festive song that marks a special time of year. It might be a religious festival or just a time of year that's very special to you. I've been writing a Christmas song as well. Now, I've already started on it and I've been keeping a track of how it went and developing the ideas so that I could share with you that process as a way of demonstrating how to move from an initial idea to an end product. We've got some brilliant singers coming in to help us perform, and I've also got an old colleague and friend of mine, Gareth Griffiths. He's one of the best pianists I know. He fully understands how music works inside out and can work from piano parts or just some chords written down. So he'll be really great to have on hand in the later stages to help us. Along with this video, you will have been sent a questionnaire. The idea of the questionnaire is to help you thinking in depth about Christmas or your festive time of year that you're going to write about. I want to know what that means to you, your family and society. It should really help you decide what sort of song you're going to write and hopefully find that little twist that's going to elevate your song to something people want to sing every year. Remember, aim for the stars and you might just reach the moon. You've probably worked out now that I have a few little stock phrases that I like to use when talking about writing. And I want to leave you with one final one. Where writing and creativity is concerned, there is no such thing as a good or a bad idea, only interesting and more interesting ideas. I'm looking forward to hearing some of your extremely interesting ideas.